Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you the top 7 Instagram settings you need to change right now. So the first setting you need to change right now is to turn off or disconnect any apps or websites connected to your Instagram account. So to turn off these settings, the first thing you need to do is to head to the top right corner of the page and click the 3 dashes. Once you do that, you just head over to settings at the bottom of the page. Once you're at settings, then you click on security. Then if you look down, you'll see something called apps and websites. So what you want to do there is to click on apps and websites. And once you click on that, you should see active, expired or removed. If you click on active, there you should see if you have any websites or applications that are connected to your Instagram account, meaning that those apps and websites have the permission to access your Instagram account. Maybe you have logged in through those applications or websites, and if you don't see anyone you are familiar with or you are known or you have used before to log on to your Instagram account and they are connected to your Instagram account, you'd want to have to deactivate or remove any of those apps or websites. The very next thing you want to do is to turn on two-factor authentication for your Instagram account. So if you head over to the top right corner of the page and click the 3 dashes at the top, and then head over to your settings at the bottom and then click on security, you will see here we have two-factor authentication. You just click on that, and if you have ever been scared of your account being hacked or your password being guessed by somebody else, this is how you protect your account with two-factor authentication. And here you can see there are two different options you can choose. You can either select the recommended procedure by Instagram, which is authentication app, or you can use the text message, which is also very simple and easy way. So you can see I have my text message authentication turned on, meaning that if I log out of Instagram and I want to log in again, Instagram will send you a text message with a code in it for me to use to log into the Instagram application. And also just at the bottom there, you can see we have recovery codes. This allows you to still log on to your Instagram account. If you ever lose your phone or your SIM card, then you can use these codes at the bottom as your recovery codes, and those codes usually are about 6 of them. So if the code is expired, if the code is finished, you can easily request for another code and Instagram will send you a new one. So those codes are used to recover your account in the event that you lose your phone or your SIM card. So you have to make sure, if you're scared of your account being hacked, you have to make sure you turn on two-factor authentication for your Instagram application. The next settings I'm going to show to you is for whenever you are on your cellular data or mobile data and you are worried of Instagram using a whole lot of your data because you're on a data plan. Here you can turn on data saver, which restricts how Instagram operates or use your mobile data. It doesn't load a lot of videos at once for you, so it helps you to save your cellular or mobile data, enabling you to use it for a longer period of time. So what you're going to do is to click at the top right corner of the page and then head to settings at the bottom, and then what you need to do next is to click on account, and then once you click on account, you should see mobile data use almost at the bottom of the page. So click on that, and once you click on that, you should see something called use less data and data saver underneath. So just click on data saver, and once you do that, Instagram will reduce the way it uses your mobile data if you're on cellular data or you're using a mobile data to open your Instagram account. Now, if you're interested in really growing your Instagram account, or you have a business account and you wish for the account to grow very well, what you want to do is to change your account type, meaning you have to switch your account to a professional account on Instagram. To change your Instagram account to a professional account, just head over to the top right corner of the page and click on the 3 dashes, and then click on settings at the bottom, and then head over to account, then scroll down. Here you should see switch to professional account. So you just want to click on that, and then you'll be told here by Instagram about the benefits of changing your account to a professional account. So you just want to click on continue, and then once you're here, you'll be asked by Instagram to give or select a category of what kind of account you are operating. So you just want to search for whatever category here suits whatever you're doing on your business, and just select that and click on next. And also, if you want to display this category on your account, if you want the category to be displayed in your account, just select this option here and then click on next. And once you have selected your category, you'll be asked by Instagram if your account is a creator or a business account. So you decide whichever choice best suits your account, and you select that and then click on next. And once you have selected that, you have some basic steps here on the Instagram application where you can click to complete the setup of your new professional account. So if you feel you need to set those up, then you just go ahead and do that. Once you're done, just click on the X at the top right corner of the page, and then you're done. And here you can see, just at the bottom here of my bio, you can see my account has changed, and here I have both promotions available and insights. Here with insights, which you can see how people interacted or are interacting with your account, the amount of people coming to your page and also interacting with the page as well. So it's a very helpful tool and settings for you to turn on if you really want to grow your Instagram account. If there's an account that you would like not to see the content of the person, but you don't want to block this person, you can restrict the account of that person, and the content of that person will not be displayed or shown to you, but the person can still see your account. So to restrict an account on Instagram, just head over to the account you would like to restrict. So once you are in the account of the person, you just click the three dots at the top right corner of the page, and then you should see restrict there in the middle of the options. If you just click on that, and once you do that, Instagram will tell you what would happen when you restrict an account. And if you are okay with that, just click on dismiss. And if for any reason in the future you'd like to unrestrict that account, you just head back over to the account which you have restricted, and then click at the top right corner of the page at the three dots. And once you do that, you can see you have the option there to unrestrict this account. And once you click on that, you see that the account has been unrestricted. This next one is how you turn off live video notifications. So if you follow a lot of people, you'll notice that whenever they go live, you keep getting notifications from Instagram telling you that they are going live. If you don't want these notifications, all you need to do is to go to the top right corner of the page and click on the three dashes at the top, and then head over to settings, and then click on notifications, and then what you want to search for there and click on is live and IGTV. And from here you want to just deselect live videos, and from that you will not be notified anymore once anybody you follow on Instagram goes live. And if you want to get properly notified when your favorite creator on Instagram goes live, I would leave a link in the description where I did a tutorial on how to turn on specific notifications for specific accounts. So the last one is related to your Instagram story settings. And if you should head over to your Instagram stories by swiping to the right, and then you should go to settings at the top left corner of the page, and then click on story. If you scroll down, you should see something called save to gallery. So you want to turn this on just in case whenever you post a story and you want this saved to your gallery or to your phone, so you don't need to download it again. So you have to make sure the settings is turned on so that it will save automatically whatever you post on your Instagram stories. And then once you have done turning on that option, just head to the top right corner of the page and then click on done, and then that's all. So I hope you found one of these settings useful for you, and also leave a comment below to tell me which of them you found useful and you're going to turn on right now on your phone. And don't forget to like the video if you found it useful, and subscribe to my channel for more tech and social media tutorials as I post videos on those every time. Thank you for watching and have a great day.